you're looking to make money with affiliate marketing with no following on any platform and using only free traffic, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to utilize Pinterest to get free traffic to your affiliate links and make those affiliate commissions you've been dreaming of. Note that this method is completely different from the others you may have watched here on YouTube in the past that probably didn't work well for you. If you don't know me, I'm called Bobe Nkwain Chiambah, founder and CEO of C Media Group, where we leverage the power of media and technology to empower you. So without any further ados, let's dive in. Step 1. Joining an affiliate network. One of the best affiliate networks in my opinion is Digistore24 because it is available in all countries. The first thing you need to do is to log in or create an account on Digistore24 if you don't already have one. In my case, I've already created my account, so I'm going to proceed by logging into my Digistore24 account. And this is what you're going to see. These are all the products you can promote and earn over $100 on average. So let's click on one of the products. Now this product has a high gravity score, which means many people have been making money promoting this product in the last 30 days. So you can confirm that this product sells like crazy and you can make a good amount of money over and over again when someone decides to click on your affiliate link and buys the product. Let me click on the product page to show you what this is about. You can see that this is a supplement, and when I read the headline, it says healthy weight loss is as pure as nature intended. So we know that this product solves a problem for people who want to lose weight. Based on these findings, we are going to proceed to step number 2. The second step is to set up and optimize your Pinterest account for affiliate marketing. Here are some things you need to do in your Pinterest strategy. Create a business account or convert your personal Pinterest account to a business one. This will give you access to analytics, ads, and other features to help you grow your account. Claim your website or social media profile if you have one. This will help drive traffic to your site or profile and increase your credibility. Enable rich pins if you have a website. Rich pins are enhanced pins that show extra information from your site, such as product price, ratings, availability, etc. Choose a niche and target audience. You need a clear idea of what topics you want to cover and who you want to reach with your pins. Optimize your profile name, bio, and photo. Use relevant keywords that describe your niche and your value to your audience. Utilize Google Analytics to see what is trending. Use a clear professional photo of yourself or your logo. Create relevant Pinterest bots and organize them by categories. Bots are where you, as an affiliate marketer, save your pins related to different topics. Use descriptive names and keywords for your bots and choose appropriate categories. Follow other accounts in your niche and engage with their content. This will help you get noticed by other users, grow your network, and become an affiliate marketer with real-time income. Some examples of popular niches are money and finance, health and fitness, food, and lifestyle. Step 3. Create and share pins with affiliate links. The third step in Pinterest affiliate marketing is creating pins with direct affiliate links and sharing them on Pinterest. Pins are the images or videos you upload and save on the platform. To create effective pins for affiliate marketing, here are some tips. Use high quality images or videos showcasing the product or services in an attractive way. Use text overlays or captions highlighting the benefits or features of the product or services. Ensure your pin details, including the title and description, have keywords matching what Pinterest visitors and your target audience are searching for. Use relevant hashtags in your pin description related to your niche or topic. Use a call to action in your pin description that encourages people to click on your link. To share your pins with affiliate links on Pinterest, here are some steps. Copy your affiliate link from the program or network dashboard. Go to Pinterest and click on the plus icon at the top right hand corner. Click create pin. Upload your image or video from your computer or phone. Paste your affiliate link in the destination link field. Add your pin title, description, hashtags, call to action, etc. Click on publish. Alternatively, affiliate marketers can use tools like Canva Pro or Connect Graphic Lab to create beautiful pins with affiliate links faster and easier. If you're getting any value from this video, please hit the like button in order to support me to keep making videos like this for you. Also subscribe and click on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I publish a new video. Step number 4. Add disclosures and follow Pinterest guidelines. Disclosures are required by law and most affiliate programs as part of their policies. To add disclosures on Pinterest, here are some best practices. Use clear and conspicuous language like affiliate link, paid link, sponsored, etc. Place the disclosure before or near the link, not at the end of the description. Use hashtags such as affiliate link, paid link, sponsored, etc. Use symbols such as etc. Besides adding disclosures, you must follow Pinterest guidelines when doing affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Some of these guidelines are: don't spam, that is, don't share too many pins with the same link or too many pins in general. Don't mislead, that is, don't use false claims or deceptive images. Don't promote prohibited products such as adult content, gambling, drugs, etc. Don't use link shortening tools such as bit.ly or redirects like cloaking, as they may lead to your pins being blocked or your account being suspended. Step number 5. Grow your traffic and income. Finally, you can focus on growing your traffic and your income. Consistently share high quality and valuable content to attract and engage your audience. Monitor your performance using Pinterest analytics to understand which of your Pinterest pin images are performing well and why. Affiliate marketers should use these insights to refine their strategy, improve pins, and increase their income. You can also consider leveraging Pinterest ads to further boost brand awareness, reach, and engagement. Remember, the key to growing your traffic or income on Pinterest is consistency, creativity, and user engagement. Remember, I promised to show you 2 main methods you can use Pinterest for affiliate marketing. Let's dive straight in. Method number 1. Link directly to affiliate offers. You don't need to build a website to harness the power of Pinterest for affiliate marketing. Just put affiliate links as the attached URL in your pins and you will earn money when people buy through them. Pinterest is cool with this, but make sure to be transparent about your intentions. A perfect example of a Pinterest affiliate marketer who makes money using this method is Kate. Kate uses video pins to sell products on Amazon. When someone clicks the Amazon link in the pin and buys something, Kate earns a commission. Kate's profile sees over 16.5 thousand monthly views and is literally nothing more than a compilation of super short videos with Amazon links attached to it. The point is, everyone can do this. Even you. Here's an example of a product they are selling. They have recorded a simple 14-second video explaining how the product works, and each time someone purchases, they get their commission. Even if every video only makes one commission at an average of 50 cents, if they have 200 videos, that's $100 per day for a bunch of 10 to 20 seconds videos. Not bad, huh? Why this method requires the lowest amount of effort and generates more traffic to your offers than indirect linking, it has its downsides. It may result in low conversion rates since you are not providing your users with context behind the products you are promoting. Now let's look at some of the pros and cons of direct affiliate linking on Pinterest. Pros: minimal effort and cost to start. More traffic to your offers. Perfect for beginners dipping their toes in the affiliate marketing pool. Cons of direct affiliate linking on Pinterest: no context clicks. That is, users might not know they are clicking an affiliate link. Low conversion rates. Reliance on a single traffic source. Now let's look at the second method, which is drive traffic to an affiliate link in a blog. For a long-term trustworthy approach to Pinterest affiliate marketing, build a blog. Sure, it requires a bit more effort upfront, but it pays off when it comes to conversions. I recommend deploying these 2 methods if you're just starting out in affiliate marketing. Building a blog can take time, but doing both is a great way to get quick wins while you work on your long-term strategy. If you want to learn how to boost your earnings online with your mobile phone, I highly recommend you watch this video next. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more videos on how to make money online. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.